Hello everyone, welcome back on new lecture, and in this video we are going to set up a scene where we will see that how we can set up the multiplayer scene with the meta avatar, and also we are going to see that how we are going to set up the player. So let's start the 2D video. So first of all, what we just want to delete the main camera and global volume. Currently we don't need any post-processing effect, so just we can use the directional light. And what we have to use, we have to use the OVR rig, and on the OVR rig there is so many features like ray or just teleport or so many player setup. So we are going to use the avatar as a meta avatar, and we are going to use the meta OVR so that we can play inside the device, VR device. Okay, and one very important thing, in the case you want to use the simulation, so you can use the simulation by playing this one. So basically it is Meta XR simulator, and in the case you don't want to run in the VR for development, so you can use this one to test your application. Okay, great. So first of all we need a player, and I don't want to use lots of thing, and if we want to use, so we can just go on the meta core, and then we can drag and drop from here. You will get prefabs. Okay, but I want a prefab that have lots of setup of player. I have to not do a lots of work. So what I will do, I will go on the meta package manager, and here we are going to get the meta XR interaction, and here we will get the samples. So just get all the samples. All the samples are very important. So this is the smart work, and there is another way that you just do everything manually, but that will take lots of time, and you have to test every time that how it is working, is there any issue with it. So here we are in the XR, and here we are getting the comprehensive rig example. There are so many rig example, you can just see, and once you are going to play you will get a better idea. So we are going in this scene, and what we really want, we want the camera rig. But what I will do, I will take everything. Why? Because I will also want to share with you that how you can work with the graving. So for the graving you have to work on the player separately, but I don't want to do separate thing or you just give lots of time. So what I will do, I will just copy all the things. Basically what are the things, it is the scene, so it is up to you that you want or not, but these are things are grabbable, you can just grab this thing. So in the future video I will share with you that how you can grab and how grabbing going to sync on the multiplayer. It will be the same concept as I previous with the Unity XR, just I will share with you and you have to implement that thing. I will just give you a brief idea and concept will be same. So just do the copy, and here we have the scene, so we can just drag and drop here. Okay, so important thing is OVR camera rig, and make sure that its value is 00. So just we have the OVR rig. Now we need to set up the multiplayer. For the safer side, we have to create one script that will be entitlement check. Basically it will check our requirement permission what we have done. So just do entitlement check, and after that we will go again in the sample. We have many way, but I'm just sharing the simplest. You can also go in the norm core, and then you can use directly this prefab. Okay, there is no any issue with it. So meta avatar, this one, so we really want this one, initialize Oculus platform, and this one. And here you can see there is nothing in the environment, it is just environment, we have already environment, so we don't want. So we will need this three thing, and I don't think entitlement will be required. So what we have to do, just copy, and here we have to go on our scene and do the paste, and make sure that every thing have their 0 0 thing, so that player whenever it will come on the player, like on the 0 value. Okay, so you know the concept of the norm code, that your rig will be inside your scene. Okay, you will not get anywhere, even in their documentation they have not shared. So I just figure out myself, that is the camera rig, and your multiplayer will become here. So now let's play and you will see the blue avatar. To check in the VR device, we have to create the build. We will do in the future video. You know, this is the error because we are running inside our. Okay, so now you can see our player is coming and head is not visible, but it will, if somebody from multiplayer will see, so your everything will be visible. But you always remember that whenever you are getting this kind of avatar, it means everything is working, just you are running in device, so due to this you are not getting the player. But whenever you are going to run in the meta devices, so it will show, but it does not mean that you create the build and run in the device you will see. No, you have to just upload your APK on the store. Due to this I just created the application on the dashboard. So see you in next video, so you know that how it is working. In next video your homework will be like, this is our grabbing thing, so you have to just design a script so that it just got on the sync on the multiplayer. So let's see who is going to do, and you can also tag me and share on the LinkedIn. So see you in next video, and we will talk about that how we are going to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to give me the rating, share with your friends. See you in next video. Bye bye, take care.